Want to turn your pool into a slam dunk zone? We've got the best pool basketball hoops of 2025, built for fun, splashdowns, and fierce poolside matchups. Smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up or down, and drop a comment below. Which hoop is your favorite? All right, let's get started. Number 1. Pool Boy Sports Pool Boy Elite. Hoop. This one combines sleek design with serious durability. With an adjustable height from 35 to 48 inches, it's great for players of all ages, from kids to competitive adults. It's built tough, with a heavy-duty reinforced steel frame and a powder-coated finish that resists water, sun, and rust. The shatterproof, see-through backboard keeps things safe and stylish, and the base? Once filled with water, rock solid. When you're ready to move it, just roll it away using the built-in wheels. Whether you're practicing shots or going full pool slam dunk, the Pool Boy Elite is a long-lasting upgrade. Number 2. Ledge Lounger. Hoopster, yes, it's on the pricier side, mightn't. But the Ledge Lounger Hoopster comes loaded with premium features. It's made from UV 20 rated resin, built to withstand 20,000 hours of sun without fading. The metal rim is coated to resist rust, chips, and scratches. Safe for both chlorinated and saltwater pools, it works in up to 9 inches of water. Once filled, the 175-pound water base keeps it firmly in place. But when drained, the wheels make storage super easy. Bonus points for the built-in basketball storage, so the ball's always within reach. If you're crafting a high-end patio or Instagram-worthy pool setup, the Hoopster is a premium buy that delivers on looks and build. Number 3. Done Right Splash and Shoot. Hoop, this one's a fan favorite, for good reason. The Done Right Splash and Shoot comes from a company with over 40 years in the game. And it shows. The aluminum pole adjusts between 23 and 53 inches, so it's fun for both kids and adults. The vinyl-coated steel rim extends 20 inches over the pool, so balls fall back in, not onto your patio. You can pick between clear or solid white backboards, both made from a durable polypropylene. The wedge-style base holds 25 gallons of water and works great for both fresh and saltwater pools. Some reviewers mentioned long-term wear, but it still holds a 4.4 star rating from nearly 300 reviews. It's stable, adjustable, and built for serious splash games. Number 4. Wave Runner. Swoosh 360. If you're after casual floating fun, check out the Swoosh 360 by Wave Runner. This inflatable hoop is great for kids' games, pool parties, or lighter pickup sessions. It's got a 36-inch diameter, making it easy to score from any angle, and especially for younger players. Made from heavy-duty vinyl, it's durable but super lightweight. The set includes an inflatable mini basketball, a skippable water ball, and a pump. So you've got everything right out of the box. It's not meant for dunk contests, but if you're after budget-friendly pool fun, Swoosh 360 brings the action without breaking the bank. Number 5. Go Sports Splash Hoop, rounding out the list. The Go Sports Splash Hoop is a no-frills, high-performance option built for pure poolside play. Made from thick, washable plastic, it's built to take rough games and last through multiple seasons. The 34 by 25-inch backboard gives players a solid target, helping make every shot count. Even in chaotic pool party mode, you also get 2 premium rubber basketballs that are thicker and longer lasting than most included balls. If you want something durable, practical, and ready for daily fun, the Go Sports Splash Hoop is a great call. So, which hoop rules the pool? Our top pick is the Done Right Splash and Shoot. Adjustable, durable, and built for hours of fast-paced water basketball fun. Set it up, hop in, and let the games begin. Like the roundup? Hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which pool hoop is landing in your backyard this summer. Catch you in the next one.